All right, we got a special guest up here tonight. And I was brought backstage. First of all, let me just say something, all right? We've done a bunch of fests. We've done a lot of fests last year, the year before, this year. And I'm telling you something, the hospitality here at HomerFest is the best we've ever had. I'll tell you that right now. That porta potty bathroom air conditioning thing they got in the back is better than the one in my house. All right? Mike, for putting this thing on, I'm telling you something right now. Dan, for bringing us in here. And all the sound people, the crew people, and putting this thing together. And all you country fans out here at HomerFest, you sound amazing out here now. Now, this kid is 13 years old, I'm told. All right? His name is Duncan. It's got, you know, think of it like Duncan Keith from the Hawks, you know what I'm saying? And he's going to help us out with this song. So, you got him up in the mains? Ryan, our sound guy out there, make it sound like rock stars. Thank you so much, bro. So this is something that you're going to know. So if you know this one, help us out, help him out, and let's have a good time and party out here tonight, all right? Just say no thing, it's no huggy. boy. Kid, you're gonna do something someday, I'll tell you right now. That guitar,